I purchased the Aerless Vacuum Kit recently, and I honestly did not expect it to make such a noticeable difference in how I handle everyday cleaning, but it has become one of those small tools that brings a huge amount of convenience into my life. The moment I opened the package, I could tell that the quality was there. Everything looked clean, polished, and well-built, with a minimal design that feels modern and stylish rather than bulky or outdated like many traditional vacuums I've used in the past. What stood out to me most is how incredibly portable and lightweight it is. Instead of dragging out a giant machine that requires plugging in and dealing with cords tangling around furniture, this is something I can grab in one hand, turn on within seconds, and get straight to cleaning without any stress or setup. The suction power is surprisingly strong for such a compact device. It picks up tiny dirt particles, crumbs, dust bunnies, pet fur, and all the little messes that always show up in places we don't even think about, like the cracks of my sofa, on top of shelves, under the car's floor mats, and even around my keyboard and desk where dust loves to settle. It comes with multiple attachments that make a big difference depending on what I'm cleaning. I've used the narrow nozzle for tight corners, the brush attachment for delicate surfaces, and the regular head for just quick cleanups around the house. Each accessory clicks in easily and feels like it's made to last. Another thing I really appreciate is the battery life. It holds a charge long enough for me to do a full round of quick cleaning in both my car and around the living room before I ever have to recharge it again. And when I do charge it, it doesn't take long at all before it's ready for more. The dust compartment is simple to empty, and the filter system seems thoughtfully designed so I don't have dust spilling out when I open it. I love that it keeps things hygienic and hassle-free. With how stylish and compact it is, storing the Aerless Vacuum Kit is effortless. It doesn't take up any space and fits perfectly into a drawer or a shelf without being in the way. But honestly, I find myself using it so frequently that I usually just leave it somewhere accessible because it comes in handy multiple times a day. Spilled snacks, small pet messes, dust on the desk before guests come over, you name it. It's extremely satisfying to get fast, clean results without having to bring out heavy-duty cleaning tools. Overall, the Aerless Vacuum Kit has exceeded my expectations in every way. It's powerful, sleek, efficient, and incredibly convenient for daily life. Whether you live in a small apartment where saving space matters, or a busy home where constant cleaning is needed, or you simply like keeping your environment neat without much effort, this toolkit checks all the boxes. It feels like one of those purchases that pays for itself with the amount of time and hassle it saves. I genuinely love using it, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a smart, compact cleaning solution that makes keeping things spotless quick, easy, and almost enjoyable.